Aging is a natural process, but that doesn't mean we can't take steps to slow it down, or even reverse some of its effects. The foods we eat play a significant role in how we age, impacting everything from our skin's elasticity to our cognitive function. Here are the top 5 natural foods that can help you turn back the clock. 1. Blueberries. The antioxidant powerhouse blueberries are often called a superfood for good reason. Packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. They help combat free radicals that contribute to aging. These antioxidants also support heart health and improve brain function, making blueberries a powerhouse for overall health. Enjoy them in smoothies, yogurt, or as a simple snack. 2. Leafy greens. Nature's multivitamin leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They support eye health, boost immune function, and reduce inflammation. Incorporate them into salads, smoothies, or stir fries for a nutrient-packed meal that promotes youthful vitality. 3. Turmeric. The anti-inflammatory spice turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory. It helps reduce inflammation linked to age-related diseases like arthritis and Alzheimer's. Add turmeric to your meals, whether in curries, soups, or golden milk, to harness its anti-aging benefits. 4. Green tea. The elixir of longevity green tea is loaded with antioxidants called catechins, which protect against cell damage and promote heart health. Its polyphenol also enhance brain function and may reduce the risk of cancer. Sip on a cup of green tea daily to enjoy its calming and anti-aging effects. 5. Fatty fish. The brain and heart booster fatty fish like salmon are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart and brain health. These essential fats also reduce inflammation and promote healthy skin. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet twice a week, whether grilled, baked, or in salads. How to incorporate these foods into your diet? Start your day with berries. Add a handful of blueberries to your morning oatmeal or smoothie. Green up your plate. Make leafy greens a staple in your salads, smoothies, or as a side dish. Spice it up. Use turmeric in your cooking, or enjoy it in warm beverages like golden milk. Tea time. Replace your afternoon coffee with a cup of green tea for a refreshing and healthful boost. Fish for dinner. Grill or bake salmon, and serve it with a side of leafy greens for a nutritious and anti-aging meal. By incorporating these foods into your daily routine, you can harness the power of nature to reverse aging and maintain vibrant health. Embrace these natural remedies and enjoy a longer, healthier, and more youthful life.